สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Welcome to Lesson 1, Part 1. Today we're going to be learning the very first 7 consonants in Thai, and those are in middle class. In Thai, we have 3 consonant classes. Those are middle class, low class, and high class. You probably have heard or learned in the order of middle class first, high class, and then low class. Or maybe you started with low class first, then go to middle class, and then high class. But we're going to do something different in this course. We're going to start with middle class first, and then we're going to proceed to low class and finish with high class. And I have my own reason why I do that, and you're going to find that out later in this course. Thai consonants are divided into 3 classes based on their traditional sounds. The key word is here. It's based on their traditional sounds, not how they are pronounced nowadays. The reason we need to note about consonant classes is because each class have different tone rules. For example, middle class has 5 tones, low class has 3 tones, and high class has 3 tones. So it's important for us to know which consonant belongs to which class so that we can pronounce and get the tones correctly. Alright, I think we're ready to start with the first consonant, which is ga gai. Before we get to write this together, let's talk about the name of the Thai consonants first. Thai consonants names have 2 components, 2 parts here. The first component will be the sound of the consonant plus the vowel a. So for example, this consonant produces the sound g. So you want to put the word g plus a. So that's the first component, ga, yeah, ga. So that's how it sounds, ga. And the second component is the name, is the name of the consonant, gai, gai, gai. Gai means chicken. Ga gai. So ga is the sound that this consonant produces, and gai is the name of the consonant. I get asked a lot if this consonant itself means chicken. It doesn't mean chicken, it's just the name of the consonant means chicken. But when you want to write the word chicken, you need vowel, you need tone mark, and those elements to combine with this to create a word or write a word gai in Thai or chicken in Thai. Now, the Thai consonant names are unique, right? We have a fixed name. So for this one, the chicken consonant, you cannot call it something else. You cannot call it ga ga, ga gu, ga whatever. You have to always call it ga gai. Okay, now it's time to write together. So start with the straight line and do like a little bit of beak here. You can see this part is like the beak of a bird, yeah. And I'm going to teach you a simplified version too. Okay, start with the line up here first, do the beak, and then go all the way to the other side. Or you can do a simplified version, my version, like this. Drag the line up here, go straight, and then go onto your top left, and then go all the to the other side. Like it's just, you know, you don't have to do like a pretty shape of beak like this. Like you don't have to do it. You can just do a simple beak or simple twist, or you can do a simplified one like the way I do now here. Yeah, very easy, right? Gokkai, yeah. Okay, now let's talk about the sound of gokkai here. I haven't mentioned yet, this is the Paibun Plus system, is a romanization system. In this course, I'm going to use this as a crush for you if you are a total beginner. G represent the g sound, and these 2 represent the a sound. Yeah, gokkai, gokkai. I'm trying not to use it too much and really want you to focus on Thai script, but here and there I will use this as a crush for you if you are an absolute beginner, yeah? Now let's talk about the sound of gokkai here. A lot of people ask me, is it G or K? Yeah, when I talk about G, I mean the voice sound G like g, g. And when I talk about K, I mean the sound as in the word king, yeah, k, k, yeah. So let's put it out here. G or K? Gokkai is not really the G sound or not really the K sound. So these two cannot really represent the Gokkai sound correctly. G, the reason is G is not good representative for Gokkai is because G is a voice sound in English, right? So I go, mango, mango. Yeah, but for most English speakers, they find G is easier to relate for Gokkai than K. So we use G instead of K. Also, K is not quite like accurate. Like if you think about K in the word king, right? When you say king, there's aspiration. K, k, k. Aspiration means there's a blast of air coming out. So when you say the word king, k, k, king, 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 you feel the air coming out. Gokkai, there's no air coming out. Yeah. So K is aspirated sound, meaning there's air coming out, but Gokkai is not the aspirated sound. So what is the sound Gokkai then, right? If you think about the word sky, you probably can get the sound of Gokkai easier. So for example, Gokkai is very, very close to K in the word sky here. Because of the S sound here, helps stop the aspiration from K, helps stop the blast of air. Sk, sk, instead of sky, sky, right? We don't really say that. Because of S sound, stop the aspiration, so it comes out as sky, sky. So K in the word sky is really close to Gokkai sound in Thai here. Or maybe K in an unstressed syllable like marker or parker. Yeah, that's really close to Gokkai sound in Thai. Another thing to take note is I get asked a lot too, Sarah, do I have to remember the name of the letters or the consonant? You don't have to. Initially, at the very beginning, if you can see this consonant and understand and remember that it produces the sound, g, that's good enough. Because if you remember these consonants as chicken, but you don't know the word chicken in Thai, which is gai, it's not going to help you so much in memorizing the sound. The goal here for us is to remember the sound so that we can use this consonant combined with vowel and can read in the Thai script, right? If you cannot remember it as g sound and only remember as chicken, that doesn't help you. I hope that makes sense. But if you remember as go gai and you know that gai means chicken and you can remember that, okay, it's gai, right? The word gai itself will help you remember the g sound, yeah? Gai is g, right? So that way it will be helpful for you. Initially, when you first start, I would love for you to focus more on how the character or the consonant sounds rather than what the name of the consonant is. All right, let's move on to the next consonant, which is จอ จาน นะคะ First component จอ and the second component จาน จานmeans plate. So the name of the consonant is plate here. จอ จาน sound is quite different from J in English. J is a voice sound, jam, jam, jam. You imagine a Thai person saying the word jam in Thai accent, it will be like jam, jam. So it's like a soft J here, not so much voice like jam, right? Yeah, like Joe. Hi, Joe. Thai version would be like, hi, Joe. Like this, so it's a soft J here. Okay, let's write this consonant together. Start with the circle first in the middle. Then you want to tail down on the right, bottom right, and then go all the way up here. You don't have to do it like this way, like slant line. You can also just drop down like this, like straight line, and go all the way up here. Yeah, it's fine to do that. จอ จาน นะคะ จอ จาน